Repair on the Move, a near-future vision in a changing climate. Written, illustrated and published by Relative Creative in 2022. Preface. What is country? The story of Repair on the Move is a story that gives agency to country. Country encompasses people, animals, plants, elements, ancestry, culture, language, stories and knowledge belonging to areas of land. Country is alive and intelligent. Knowledge lives in country and has partnered with humans since the beginning. In this story, country agency manifests as familiar characters to readers: a kookaburra, nyogai or bees, banksia trees, wind, red need ants, and burraby or koalas. Repair on the Move is a near-future design fiction intended to prompt a shift in readers' perceptions by repositioning Indigenous knowledge of country as central to our everyday life in a future of cultures of repair.